So as I started physics, okay, physics is totally dedicated to the JEE Mains or NEET student, okay. Physics is totally dedicated to JEE Mains and NEET student only, okay. Means whatever we will deliver, whatever I will speak, that is totally linked with all the questions of JEE and NEET only. So if you want to, okay, score in JEE and NEET examinations, you have to go through that, okay. So that series will goes on. Already 2 series I released, okay, series 1 and series 2, okay. Unit and dimensions, okay, unit and dimensions 2 series I released, okay. All the series will be very, okay, short, okay, so that easily you can, okay, see that, okay. Yeah, no, just I didn't think about mathematics that I will, okay, release the series of mathematics because I don't have time, but now I am releasing. Yeah, so here again I am starting the series of maths, okay, series of maths, okay, which is totally dedicated to JEE Mains and advanced student only, clear. So if you want to score good marks in mathematics, JEE Mains and advanced, you can go when we talk about trigonometric functions, what to think of in your brain, okay. Simply, if I will ask about trigonometric functions, okay, means sir theta equals to L by R, simple. This is trigonometric functions. Function started and this function solved structures of us. If you understood the concept of theta equals to L by R, what is theta equals to L by R? If I say, suppose, okay, there is a radius of R and go with by an angle of theta, in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, it's your choice, okay. So right now I'm going in anti-clockwise direction by an angle of theta, so this is by an angle of theta, anti-clockwise directions. So what is this length? This length is L, clear. Again, see, I will use this concept in physics as well, okay, when I will do kinematics, okay. This is very important, okay, concept, okay. From here each year questions comes in JEE Mains and NEET examinations and physics, okay, as well. Yeah, so this is very important concept. So here theta equals to L by R. Obviously all of you know that theta is here in radian. We cannot put the value of theta in angle in degree here, so we'll use theta only in radian, okay, no problems. So first thing we will do some works on conversion of radian. How you can convert any angle into radian? Simply, how you can convert any angle into radian? No problem, sir. See, if I will ask you, there is circle of radius 1 unit. So this is circle of radius 1 unit. Okay, no issue, no problem at all, sir. If I'll ask you, what is the circumference of this circle? Can you say 2 into pi into r is 1, sir? So 2 pi. Clear? So this is the circumference of this circle. What is that? 2 pi. If the unit is 1, radius is 1. So if you see this whole angle is what? 360 degree. So can I say here right now 2 pi equal to 360 degree? Oh my God, you are genius, sir. Such a big concept you deliberated in simple way. Okay, no issue, don't get emotional. So 2 pi radian. So now I will use this relation directly. Again, I will not drag this. Okay, no drag all this. Okay, we use directly. So can we say, sir, 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree? Clear? Yes, sir. No issue, sir. So my student, my child, my friends, okay. So if I ask you what is pi radian, so can you say from here directly that pi radian equals to what? 360 degree divided by 2 means what? 180 degree. Clear? Okay, no problem. So if pi radian equals to 180 degree, so this is the basic relations. I will use these relations to convert degree into angle, angle into degree. Okay, directly means degree into radian and radian into degree. Okay, can I erase? So yeah. Pi radian. So if I ask pi radian equals to what? 180 degree. My students, if I'll ask you 1 radian, so what is 1 radian? 180 divided by pi degree. 1 radian equals to 180 by pi degree. So means if you have to convert a radian into degree, you have to multiply by 180 by pi. Clear? Am I right? So if you have to convert radian into degree, if you have to convert radian into degree, so what to do? Multiply by 180 by pi. Clear? Clear? So if I will ask you what is pi by 2 radian, what is pi by 2 radian? So what to do in degree? So what to do? Pi by 2 into 180 by pi. Pi by 2 into 180 by pi. So what is this? Pi cancel out 290. So answer is 90 degree. Clear? 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 If I will ask you what is pi by 3 radian, pi by 3 radian equals to what? Pi by 3 into 180 by pi. Clear? So what is this? 60 degree. Clear? 60 degree. Clear? So you can easily convert radian into degree. You can easily convert radian into degree by using all this approach. I already deliberated the approach how I found this stuff. Okay? Clear? So my student, my child, my friends, so simply you have to think about my result, what I deliberated here right now. You can use throughout your life, you can solve any questions directly from here. Otherwise, if you don't know all this, so you have to remember the results, people, students, teachers, everyone remember. Leave it. Yeah, clear? Clear? Okay. So see, simply if I say 2 pi radian equals to 360 degree, means pi radian equal to 180 degree, so can I also say 180 degree equal to pi radian? Yeah, sir, no problem, sir, we can say, sir. 180 degree equal to pi radian, can I say? Clear? Clear? So if 180 degree equal to pi radian, so from here can I say 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian? Clear? Clear? So from here can I say 1 degree equal to pi by 180 radian? Clear? Clear? So means sir, if I have to convert degrees to radian, if I have to convert a degree into radian, so simply what I will do, I multiply by pi by 180. Clear? So if I have a degree here, if I have to convert into radian, so what simply I do, I will multiply by pi by 180. Clear? Clear? So if I have suppose 60 degree, I have to convert into radian, so what I will do, 60 into pi by 180, so pi 60 into 3 180, so answer is pi by 3 of radian. Clear? 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 Understood everything? Everything is clear? अरे सब कुछ समझ में आया? बोलो, हो या ना?